Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to generate and show number of people view product in single product page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to generate random number. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see product underscore view and then you see random 40 70 number. The random number show will be between 14 and 70. So each time we refresh single product page, so they will show random number. And then you see text other looking at this product, so you can customize this text according to your requirement, and if you want you can add your random number here. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page and refresh the page. Now you see 51 other looking at this product. So this 51 number between 14 and 70. Now refresh again. Now you see number 54. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.